Bliss is the 2008 Alerion 38 Express. She features a hull spars carbon fiber rig. She has North 3DI Endurance main and jib, as well as a separate set of Dacron sails. Up on the bow, there's a LaFrance 12-volt Project 500 electric windlass and the self-tacking Hoyt jib boom. Bliss features NavTech continuous rod rigging and a Dodger. All the way aft, there's a lazarette with a vented, dedicated propane locker. There's a complete set of cockpit cushions and an elegant teak steering wheel. All the control lines lead back to the helmsman. There's a Garmin chart plotter, complete Raymarine wind instruments, and a Raymarine autopilot with a linear arm drive. There's a canvas cover for the entire cockpit. Down below, the elegant interior is trimmed out in teak wood. There's 12,000 BTUs of air conditioning for your comfort. To port is the AC/DC electrical panel. The galley is aft and to starboard. All the way forward, there's a great V-berth cabin. The entire cabin has a beautiful varnished teak and holly sole. The galley features a 2-burner Force 10 propane stove with broiler and oven, top-loading 12-volt refrigeration, and a stainless steel sink. The breaker panel features both AC and DC breakers. There's an 1800-watt inverter and a 40-amp battery charger. There's a hanging locker, and the head is all the way aft, featuring a 12-volt electric toilet and a shower. There's also a Y valve and a manual pump out. Bliss features an SD50 sail drive with a 2-bladed folding prop. All the lower sail drive seals were replaced this winter. There's a 40-horsepower Yanmar diesel engine and dual Raycor fuel filters. Bliss has benefited by having only 2 meticulous owners that have maintained her with an open checkbook. A personal inspection is highly recommended. Please contact Jordan Yachts for further information or to arrange to view this magnificent vessel.